Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to delete search history on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now, to delete search history on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon over here where it says you. Tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings button available for us. Tap on the settings button, and over here you can see the manage all history option available for us. Tap on the manage all history, and when this page loads, guys, you will be able to see your search history as well as your watch history. You can see I have searched recently for something on the how to test MSNR. That was my thing. I currently am studying, and you can also see the music I have been listening to. And this way, guys, these are the music, and on this same interface you'll be able to see your source history. So for example, these are all the music you can see, but if we go down a little bit, you can see again. If we go down over here where it says, you can see my search history where it says the search for MSNR backtesting tutorial over here, and I currently watch some videos over here. With that being said, guys, these are the results of the pages you watched and the videos you searched for. You can see now, in order to delete your search history on YouTube, you can see just the delete icon over here. Tap on the delete icon. Now over here you will be able to delete the search history of either today or a custom range or all time. You can see you can just tap on delete today if you want, and this kind of interface will appear where it says tap on got it and where it says deletion complete. And with that being said, you'll be also able to delete the search history or the watch history of delete custom range and all time if you go tap on it, and it will be done. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete search history on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.